come this morning to put my voice as a contribution to enable you run the party. So, thank you, General Secretary. I have said it several times that if NPP will come back to power, unless we are united, and I repeat, even if you bring Jesus Christ, without unity, we cannot win election. So I'm of the opinion and firm belief that with unity, we'll be able to win 2028. But there is a catch here. I didn't come here to win, but because you raised it. See, when you want peace, two things that you need to ensure peace and unity is fairness and justice. Without fairness and without justice, it will be very difficult to get everybody on board. So I'm pleading with you, executives, to stand firm. I know pressures all over, but a situation where you have members of parliament, party executives, openly endorse a candidate, but when the others go to endorse one candidate, they ask them to go to disciplinary committee. They call and threaten. No, General, I still stand for peace. But let me give you one example. The Kumasi incident. When I was there, can you believe that the MPs who were with me, they call and threaten them? Check. The MPs who were there, they call and threaten them. I beg you. If it continues like that, whatever we're doing, we cannot get unity. So you have emphasized unity, I go for it. I always talk to my people, especially one guy. When I come and watch the videos and the things he says, I say, shh, it's no good. Don't help us. But we have women who are not party members insulting other people whom they consider not to be on their side. So what's the essence of democracy? We are not enemies. If you contest somebody, you are not his enemy. When we finish, we come together. But we are preaching unity, unity, unity. But the way things are going, it's going to be tough. So whatever you said, we take it in good faith. I'm going to continue preaching unity, get the party to power. Thank you.
There's no news. For we have that personal relationship where I always refer to him as Mr. President. It's not today. It has always been like that. So it's very important that all of us are mindful of our utterances. You recall during the presidential primaries when we put a committee led by Professor Michael Quinn, you attested to the work that did. And I can assure you that everyone who have an interest of contesting in our future elections, so far as we are here, and so far as personally I'm the General Secretary of the party, will provide an equal playing field for everyone. That is very important, because at the end of the day, it's not about our interest. It's not about who we like, who we dislike. It's about the NPP's interest. It's about what the party will benefit. And that is what should be the hallmark of everyone. On social media platforms, we read several denigrating comments We read several accusations, counter accusations. Please, at the end of the day, it is the rank and file of the people, over the 200,000 people who are going to decide on who becomes the flag bearer of our party. It's not us here. And there's nothing that if the good people of our party decide that this is the direction that they want to go, that we national officers can truncate it or stop it. So please, I'll plead with you. The way you are measured in your speeches, everyone who follows you should follow the same line, at least, so that at the end of the day, we remain as a united family. We are very grateful for the kind gesture that you have done this morning, and may God continue to bless you in all your endeavors. Thank you very much, Dr.